Want to make money online but don't know where to start? Here's the truth. You don't need experience, fancy gear, or even a product. In this video, I'll show you the easiest ways to make money online. 5 ways to make money online. Let's break it down. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with 5 beginner-friendly online income ideas you can start right now, even with zero money up front. These are real strategies real people are using every day to make real money. Welcome to Money Always. I started with nothing but a laptop and some Wi-Fi. Today, I teach people how to build income online and create financial freedom. Because if I can do it, you can too. This channel, Money Always, is where I show you how. Let's dive into 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money online. Freelancing. If you can write, design, do voiceovers, or edit videos, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines. You set your price and get paid for your skills. Affiliate marketing. Promote products from Amazon, Shopee, or digital tools you already use. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Print on demand. Design a t-shirt, mug, or tote bag. Sites like Redbubble or Teespring handle everything from printing to shipping. You just earn. Sell digital products. Create an ebook, budget tracker, or even a Notion template. Once it's made, you can sell it over and over without lifting a finger. YouTube or TikTok content creation. You don't need millions of views to make money, just a niche, a phone, and consistent content. Monetize with ads, sponsorships, or even your own digital products. Now I want to hear from you. Do you want a step-by-step tutorial on any of the methods I just shared? Let me know in the comments below which one you want me to cover next, and I'll make a video just for you. There you go. 5 beginner-friendly ways to make money online. You don't need to do them all. Pick one. Start messy. Learn as you go. Momentum beats perfection. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment which method you're going to try first. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Always for more practical skills to build your financial freedom. You've got this.